After a long dark winter, Orlando is coming back to life. And nestled behind an iconic fountain in Thornton Park, Cavo's Bar and Kitchen is waiting for you.
The three of us have been friends for years. We've been in this neighborhood for 20 plus years. I've been here for that long. And we had been planning on opening up a neighborhood bar slash restaurant. Pretty simple, just a neighborhood restaurant, bar, a place where the neighbors can come hang out and feel at home. We try to treat everybody, our customers, employees, everybody like family. That was pretty much our goal. I think we've accomplished it. We're located in downtown Orlando. We're actually in the historic district, just a couple of blocks away from Lake Eola, which has the big fountain you always see on TV, and we have a little fountain of our own right outside these doors.
Cavo's, we're really glad you came.